Alright, welcome ulit sa ating unboxing and first impression. So ngayon meron tayong unbox ang nating phone 2A. Nabili natin ito for 18,990 sa Digital Walker. Ang nakuha nating variant ay 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. Ang color niya is milky white. So napakasimple ng box niya, napakanipis. Of course, yung uso ngayon, hindi nakasama yung mga charger. So kaya ganito kanipis yung mga box na lumalabas sa mga bagong model ngayon, especially yung mga international brand. So pag binuksan mo yan, napaka-minimalist. So itong ating unit, may kasama siyang Type-C to Type-C cable. And of course, yung ating manual. So yun, napakasimple lang ng kanyang content. So kung ma-observe nyo, kaya maninipis na yung mga box ngayon, some of the companies, especially yung mga multinational manufacturers or multinational company na nagpo-produce ng smartphone, they were very dedicated to save the environment. Kaya wala na siyang kasamang mga charger. Alright, so yan ang nating phone 2A unboxing. Proceed tayo sa first impression and review. Ang nating phone 2A ay ang bagong release ng nating tech company nitong March lang of this year, 2024. Ang screen size ito ay 6.7 inches. Meron itong AMOLED screen display technology. Ang refresh rate nito is 120Hz na. Well, kung gamer ka, pwede na siguro ito sa'yo. Kung high-intensity games, I hope, but I still don't recommend it. Kung hindi ka naman gamer, pwede mo namang i-configure sa 60Hz settings para makasave ka na rin ng battery. Kung ikaw naman ay laging nasa field, kagaya ko, madalas na nasa field yung work natin, hindi mo rin naman maiwasang gamitan sa labas yung nating phone 2A. Makakatulong sa iyo yung 1300 nits peak brightness support para maging clear pa rin ang output ng screen display on a bright sunny day. Ang build design nito is plastic in comparison sa nating 2. Ang build quality ng back panel natin is plastic with the signature look of nating na transparent. But I think it's a heavy duty plastic. The glimpse at the back, meron pa rin for notification and calls. Nandito rin ang symmetrical dual camera module. Medyo may bump ng konti, so expect natin na nakaangat sa bandang taas kapag nilapag natin sa flat surface. Pero may solusyon dyan. Nakabili ako sa Shopee, mura-mura, wala pang 500. So papakita ko na lang dito sa ating screen. Almost totally, or na-eliminate niya ng konti yung camera bump. So medyo flat na siya kapag nilapag mo sa table. Sa left side panel nito, dito located ang volume rocker na kung white yung kukunin nyo, may color accent siya. In this colorway, color black yung mga buttons. Same color ng power button na nasa right panel naman. Sa top panel naman dito located ang ating microphone at sa bottom naman dito located ang ating SIM tray, Type-C charging port sa gitna at meron another microphone. Dito rin located ang ating speaker. Ito rin ay IP54 certified, which means now water and dust resistant lang. Ibig sabihin hindi po siya pwedeng isubmerge sa tubig. Alright? When it comes to OS, ito ay equipped ng latest Android version 14 with Nating OS 2.5.4. Ang processor ng Nating 2A ay MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro 5G with 2 GHz processing speed, 8-core or octa-core with 4nm chipset. Pagdating naman sa memory profile, there are 3 variations available in the market. 8GB plus 128GB yung pinaka-base model. Meron siyang 8GB plus 256GB naman yung mid, and 12GB plus 256GB internal storage yung max. Ang gamit natin ngayon ay base model. Pero so far, kahit base siya, hindi pa naman ako nakaka-experience ng lag or nabitin ako sa paggamit. Pero of course, ito pa rin ay depende kung gaano kaka-heavy gumamit ang iyong telepono. Pumunta naman tayo sa camera. Ang rear camera nito ay dual camera module. Both has 50 megapixel sensor, pero yung isa dyan is ultra-wide with 2.2 aperture opening. Ang isa naman ay 50 megapixel main sensor. Selfie camera naman ay 32 megapixel with 2.2 aperture opening. Pretty much good in low light condition and may wide shot feature na rin. Here are the sample photo and video shots na nakuha natin from our Nothing Phone 2A. Ang battery capacity is 5,000 mAh. As advertised, kaya nitong tumagal ng 2 days. But I doubt. Siguro kung minimal use lang yun. Current text with the minimum browsing pwede. Pero kasi experience ko, at the end of the day, siguro mga full charge ko siya, ginamit ko siya ng whole day, mga 9 p.m., 32% yung natitirang battery sa akin. So yun, just an update lang dito sa Nothing Phone 2A in terms of battery life. So, tinarge ko to 2 days ago. Since holiday ngayon, hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. Pero, in-observe ko, binuksan ko yung timer natin. And as of the moment, tumakbo siya for almost 50 hours without charging. So, on a minimal use or hindi ganon ka-heavy na usage, kayang-kaya niyang tumagal ng 2 days. So, medyo tama yung spec sheet na binigay ng nating company for the Nothing Phone 2A. So, ibang usapan naman kapag heavy usage na. Especially pag, siguro pag ginamit mo sa games o kaya ginamit mo sa office na merong mga notification. Tama yung specs na sinabi doon sa spec sheet ng Nothing Phone 2A. On paper, kaya niyang tumagal ng 2 days on a minimal use. Alright? See you. Meron naman itong 45 watts wired fast charging but no wireless charging capacity. When it comes to network, ito is equipped with dual 5G. Max download speed, on paper, it's around 3,300 Mbps and compatible sa lahat ng network, I hope. Pero sa dito, SIM card, kung kayo ay dito subscriber, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-worry kasi compatible ito with dito SIM. Bluetooth version is 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6 capable na rin. Alright, summary and recommendation. The Nothing Phone 2A is a mid-range phone. Ito ang first time na naglabas ang Nothing with this price point. It's a heavy risk market because of the demand in this segment. Not just for the price, not just for the features, but also on the tech expectation. I'm not sure if they can keep up in terms of production. For consumer like you and me, it's nice to have that we have another option. But then again, how long ulit tayo maghihintay sa susunod na mid-range Nothing Phone? Anyway, I can recommend this sa mga katulad ko na naghahanap ng simple UI or basic UI. Almost close to stock Android yung UI ng Nothing Phone. Better design, efficient battery, just right hardware for daily tasks. Alright, this is Nothing Phone 2A. Gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, stay safe, stay healthy, and always be nice to everyone. See you on the next video.
Welcome to the TMW podcast.